How to transfer NFT using SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to transfer an NFT using SafePal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To transfer an NFT using SafePal, open the SafePal app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now go to the NFT tab on your home screen. Tap on the NFT you want to send, then tap the Send or Transfer button. Now paste the recipient's wallet's address or scan the QR code. Make sure the address is on the same blockchain network as the NFT, like Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain. Double check everything, then tap the Next. You will see a summary of the transfer, including gas fee. Tap Confirm. Enter your security password and your NFT will be on its way. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out all the videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to transfer an NFT using SafePal.